Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making shrimp etouffee. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 32 ounces of seafood broth, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 small onion, 3 stalks of celery, 1/2 of a green bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 scallion, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 1 14-ounce can of diced tomato, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to your Dutch oven. Saute your shrimp for 1 minute, then remove them from the pot and set them aside until later. Now melt the remaining 4 tablespoons of butter. Now add the flour to create a roux. Continue mixing until your roux develops a rich caramel color. Add the onion, bell pepper, and celery and saute for 3 minutes. Now add the garlic, then your diced tomatoes. Add the seafood broth, then bring to a light boil. Now add the Worcestershire sauce and hot sauce. Season with the thyme, salt and pepper, and creole seasoning, then mix well. Add your bay leaf, then cover and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, reduce the heat, then add the parsley and scallions. Allow it to simmer uncovered for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, return your shrimp to the pot, then allow it to continue to simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp